Hi everyone. Today I'd like to walk through a quick simple migration from PowerBuilder to Java application using Ispirer Tookit. You can give it a try by requesting a free demo license, or learn more by following the links to the Ispirer website in the description. Now let's start our PowerBuilder to Java migration walkthrough with Ispirer nGLFly wizard. The tool included to Ispirer Toolkit and designed to manage the application migration process. First, I need to provide the directory where the configuration files will be located. Further, I choose the source type, in my case it's an application. In addition, the tool can migrate the database scripts and embedded SQL. I need to choose PowerBuilder as the source technology, but our tool also can migrate different languages, for example COBOL or Delphi. Then I choose the source files that I want to convert. This process is the same for all directions. Following that, on the next page, I select the Database API and Database Management System for the migration. Besides, I can set additional options for any directions if I click the Advanced button. On the Target Options page, I'm setting parameters for the migration result. The Database API and Database Management System for the target may be selected as well. After that, I choose the directory where all generated migration results will be placed. If you encounter any errors during the migration process, you need to rerun the migration with the Run in Trace Mode property and get the .trc file. Please send us this file, as well as a sqlways.log file to analyze your errors. Now on the summary page, I can view all the migration settings that have been adjusted, as well as the command line at the bottom. By clicking the Edit Options File button, I see the sqlways API file with the selected parameters. There is also a possibility to schedule the migration in command line mode if needed. On the next page, I click Start Conversion to launch the migration. If you find this video helpful, support us by clicking subscribe, like, and share this video with people who might benefit from it when migrating PowerBuilder to Java. Once the migration process is complete, I click the Open Export Directory button, which opens a folder with all the results along with the log file containing all the information about the conversion process. It reveals which objects have been converted and whether any migration errors occurred due to parser errors or license restrictions. The same information is shown on the completing page. By clicking Review Full Report, I can view a summary report on the source files. After clicking the Finish button, the migration configuration will be saved for future launches, and nGLFly wizard will be closed. After the migration, please follow the following guidelines to tune up the converted code. First, create an appropriate workspace solution in IDE suited to the target technology. Second, from the result folder select the converted files or folders, and add them into the created workspace solution. Third, if the result folder contains the Ispirer framework folder, or additional files with classes, add them to the workspace solution as well. Note, these are a special framework provided by Ispirer. It extends the target technology to enable certain features of the source code base. Fourth, download if needed and add the required dependencies for the IDE you use. Finally, complete the code migration with the IDE. Please note that the migration quality can be improved through customization of nGLFly. Feel free to contact the Ispirer support team for assistance. Ispirer Toolkit is a fast, easy and reliable way to migrate with minimal downtime to the Java application. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thanks for watching.